Hey, future achievers, struggling with board exam prep? Don't turn your stress into success. And that is starting to tip number 4, mastering time practice tests. First up, simulate real exam conditions at home, pick a quiet spot. Set a timer and start a practice test. This method is more than just about answering questions. It trains your brain to manage time effectively, handle exam pressure, and sharpen your focus. Try different subjects each day and track your progress. Soon you'll notice how naturally you adapt to the exam's pace and structure. It's all about practice making perfect. The magic of study groups. Now let's talk about the power of collaboration. Study groups can transform your prep. Start by gathering a few classmates who are serious about their studies. Schedule regular meetings, either online or in person. Discuss complex topics, quiz each other, and share study resources. This not only diversifies your learning, but also keeps you motivated. You know what they say? Together, everyone achieves more. Tip number 2 is all about mind mapping for success. Mind maps, they're not just colorful notes, they're a visual representation of your understanding. Start with a central concept like cell biology or quadratic equations, branch out into subtopics, key facts, and formulas. Use colors, symbols, and images. This approach boosts memory retention and helps in quick revisions. Plus, it's a creative and enjoyable way to study. And finally, our top tip, number 1. So crafting a balanced study routine. Brain is like a muscle, and just like any athlete, you need a well-rounded routine. Create a realistic study schedule that includes time for each subject, but also for breaks, exercise, and enough sleep. Nutrition plays a key role too. Opt for brain foods like nuts, fruits, and plenty of water. Remember, a healthy body houses a sharp mind. Avoid last-minute cramming. Instead, focus on understanding concepts thoroughly. With a balanced routine, you'll be exam ready with less stress and more confidence. There you have it. 4 powerful strategies to conquer your board exams. Implement these, and you'll see a remarkable change in your study efficiency and exam performance. Did you like these tips? Give us a thumbs up, share with your study circle, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos.